Hello. Okay, so I am going to make this video a little bit complex for you. So I will try my level best to make you understand so that you can understand how the process is going to happen. Okay. Currently what you do, you go to the admin panel, you first create the form as you showed you before. First you create the form, then you create the product, and in that product you assign that form. For example, if I go to the forms, here these are the form. For one form is for one product. First we create the form by duplicating this one, and then we go back to the products. Let's see, IWD Hostler. Okay, let's say this is the product. When we created this product, we assigned the IWD Hostler form which we created here. IWD Hostler which we created here, and we assigned in this product. So when we are going to the IWDB Hostler product, then what we can see, the base pricing, and the form. This form is that form because we have assigned this form in this product here. You know these things. Okay, let me show you. There is a mistake I just found, that is IWB Hostler. If I we are already editing this product IWB Hostler. In this product you have selected IWB Hostler. Okay, now I am going back to the hybrids. This is hybrid, and I'm going to edit this one to see which form is working here. Okay, in the hybrid you are also using the same IWB Hostler. So this is a mistake here. What you will have to do, you will have to select the hybrid form. This is the hybrid form. If you will have to assign the right form to the right product. So this is a mistake. I am just selecting hybrid if I am not wrong, or yeah, no, I am not doing any changes. You can do it later, but I am just showing you how to fix that because I don't know. I think you have a plan for this. Okay, so now you know that we will have to assign the exact form to the exact product, and then that will work fine. Okay, now your question is, for example, in the IWB Hostler we have these fields, lots of fields you have added already in this form. Now you want to use the same form for another product, but the pricing may be a little bit different, or you may have some uh, options more or less in these fields. This is the thing I have understood in the video that you want to make. You want to use the same form. So it is going to happen the same way we did it for the new product. Let's see. This is the form. The form name is, okay, the product name is IWB Hostler, and you also have a form with this name IWB Hostler, and which already has all this field. So what we will have to do, we can simply duplicate this form. In this, now you don't need to duplicate this one because I made this form for the duplicate purpose. It has only few fields. Those are the basic necessary fields, so I made it. But always you don't need to duplicate this one. You can simply duplicate the IWB Hostler. Once you duplicate IWB Hostler, then you are getting all the form options which you have here in the new form. Let me do it IWB Hostler. I am just going to click on duplicate. So this way you can duplicate any form you want. For now, to show you, I am duplicating IWB Hostler. I am clicking on duplicate, and here you can see form is duplicated. Now if I go here, you can see this is the duplicated form. This is the copy one, and this is the main form. We don't need to do anything here because we already have duplicated it. Now what we can do, we can change the name of this form and the options if needed. For example, to change the name, I will have to go to the settings. Under settings, the form setting. And here you can see the form title. What I am going to do, For example, I am going to make this form for hybrid, so I am placing the name hybrids. Now also the fact is already we have a hybrid form, so we can't keep the same name. So what I'm doing, hybrid new form. Okay, once done, I can click on updates form setting. Now what will happen if I go back to the form? We have the new form with new name. This is the form hybrid new form, which we duplicated from IWB Hostler. This is here. Okay, so after we duplicate a form, we can simply rename that form by going to the form settings. So what we just did is we created the duplicated form from IWB Hostler and changed the name from the settings, and the new name is hybrids new form. Now if I click on edit to this form, what we will have, we will already have all the fields we had in the IWB Hostler. All the fields are ready in this place. So what you can do, you can start to edit the items here. For example, if you don't have these three option, or if you have one more option, you can do that too. Or if you have any pricing changes, you know how to do that. So this is the easiest way to create a new form using already a built-in form. Okay, so for example, this is the new form and we have already made the changes and everything done. Now we can click on update form. So the form is updated. Now we have a new form which is hybrids new form, and which we made for this hybrid product. Now what we will have to do, we will have to go to the products, because we have the form ready for hybrids new form. Now we will have to assign this form to the exact product. So I am going to edit the hybrid one, and now I will change it. What I will do, it had the wrong form maybe. Now I am going to use the hybrid new form. So what I just did, I just assigned the new form which we created duplicating the IWB Hostler, and now this form is working with this product, the hybrid product. If we click on update, what will happen is, if I go to the hybrid one, we will have all the fields we had for IWB Hostler here. But this two form is totally different. I think you understand. We just duplicated the IWB Hostler to create a new form, and later we assigned that form with the hybrids. And now if you need to change anything in hybrid form, just simply go to the forms and edit the hybrid one. That's it. So the main thing is, when you are creating a new product, you just assign the exact form to the exact product. There should not be any mistake. In that case, if you update the form here later, for example, I am hybrid, this was a form we are not using. I think we are not using. So if we do any update here, this is not going to show any changes in the website. So what is going to happen, we will have to change the exact form, and before that we will have to assign the exact form to the exact product. I think it will help you now. So the first thing is, you will have to duplicate the form, and you can duplicate any form you want. For example, let's say level 2 hostler. This is a form, and you are saying that it already has all the elements you need. So what you can do, you can simply duplicate this one, and then you can rename that under the settings, and then you can edit it if you need to change any addition or whatever you need to do. And once done, what you will have to do, you will have to assign this duplicated form which you will duplicate to that exact product. And once you assign the exact form to the exact product, then it is done. Then what you can do, you can later log into the admin panel and just simply come to the form and edit the exact form, and that's it. It will update automatically. But assigning the exact form to the exact product is the important fact. So I think now you know how to duplicate any form, how to edit the name of the form, how to edit the forms, you already know that. And after that, how to assign that form to the product. So I think you can easily maintain everything now. But if you need any help, I'm here. Thank you.